Hi, George Cummings, your web guru here with another EAgentC tech tip. This time what we're going to do is a real easy way for you to add social media links to your EAgentC homepage and that also open up to a new page. And we're going to use a table so that they align nicely side by side and look very nice and neat on your page. And here we go, like in this agent, I put them at the bottom of her page right here, all nicely, neatly aligned side by side and centered using a table. These links will open to a new window so it won't take the user away from your website. They won't leave your website. Here we go. So first of all, just to be clear, you go to 1.0. Make sure that you have uploaded the logos to your photo library here at 1.3. Everything's pretty self-explanatory on the photo library, but so I'm not going to go into that this time around. Now, you can get the logos from YouTube and Facebook respectively, or email me and I'll send them to you. I'll give you my email address at the end of this presentation. So let's go to the home page though. It's already there, 1.5, create homepage message. So here we are, isn't that nice? Okay, we're just going to put this right here at the bottom, just like we had it. And here we go. So you have your little WYSIWYG, your editors here. A WYSIWYG just stands for what you see is what you get. That's what this means when you have an editor there. Now, you click Insert or Edit Table. Now, what we want to do is have one row and two columns. So we're going to make them side by side. If you wanted them one on top of the other, you would make two rows in one column. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the width here. Just delete that so it doesn't automatically set the width. And I'm going to get rid of the border because I don't want a border. I just want it to be nice and clean without any borders around the graphics. So there we go. We're going to center it. Don't worry about caption or summarizing. Cell spacing and cell padding right there at 1 each are fine. If you wanted them to be spread apart a little further, you can manipulate these and add numbers to them. But for this, we're just going to leave it just like that. So there it is. I don't know that you can see it. It's right here at the bottom. It's a little bit outlined. It's right there. If you see where the cursor is now blinking, I'm in the one table cell, and then I just moved over to the other one. Okay, so make sure that your cursor is inside the table cell. You're going to go up here, and this says Insert Edit Image. Notice that if you just mouse over these little icons here, you can kind of figure out what they are. They'll let you know, like this is background color, text color, if you want to insert a smiley, and then here we are, Insert Edit Image. Go ahead and click it. You're going to click Browse Server. You're going to go to your library. And here I have them right there, Facebook and YouTube. We're going to add Facebook first. And this is already preset at 98 pixels height and width. You can manipulate them if you want them smaller. Don't try to make them bigger because they'll get blurry. But let's say if you wanted them to be smaller, you just change it to a different number like this, and it'll automatically change the height as well. We're going to go back to the original here. I'm also going to add find me on Facebook to learn more about my real estate services. Now this is the alternative text. Now this is kind of important to make sure that you are tagging your photos with alternative text. It won't show up when people are seeing your website, but it's when you mouse over you can see it. It'll pop up, but it also helps search engines just kind of give you a little bit more of that keyword bump there. And there it is. There's the first one. There's the Facebook icon. Now we're going to go ahead and just mouse right in there. What you can see, if there's, see the cursor is blinking again. I'm now inside the second table cell, and we're going to go back again, and we're going to go to Browse Server. Once again, just do the same thing. We're going to go to YouTube. I'm going to leave the height the same, and the width is 1 pixel less. No one's going to notice that. Find more real estate videos by clicking here. So I'm using just a little bit of real estate videos, just a little bit of a keyword bump. It doesn't do a huge thing search engine wise, but it does enough. It's very important at least to have those because search engines want to see that you have some sort of alternative text that relates to the graphic that you are using. True story. There we go. Okay, so now we have the graphics in place. We want to go ahead and add the links. And what I've done is I've gone ahead and saved the links onto just a notepad here. So I'm going to copy the Facebook link, and we're just going to go ahead and put it in. We're going to go back. We're going to click the Facebook graphic. See how it turns blue? Isn't that nice? It lets you know. Now right here Insert edit link. Again, you can just mouse over and find it. It's the world, the little globe with a little chain on it. Get it? And I'm just going to paste it here. But I want it to open to a new page. So I want it to open up to a new browser window, in other words. So I'm going to go to Target, and I'm going to go to New Window. So there we go. And then I'm going to do the same for YouTube. I'm going to grab the YouTube link right here. I'm going to copy. And I'm going to go and do the same thing. See how when I click the YouTube link, it turns blue? So it's being attributed. And then we're going to go ahead and paste that in there. I'm going to set the target here as well. Just new window. Don't do frame. Don't do pop-up window. Do anything. It's new window if you want it to open up into a new window. And there we go. And I'm going to save it. And it is saved. Now I'm going to go ahead and refresh. And then if you see, as you can see, it opens up to a new window. So there we are. So that's it. If you have any questions or if you need the social media logos, I think I probably have all of them, including WordPress or anything else. Just shoot me an email, george@yourwebguru.net. Thanks for watching.